We spend so much time looking for the perfect gift for the people who care about us, especially with Mother's Day right around the corner. We want something that's meaningful, but also practical, and usually that means we have to choose between a luxury gift or a health gift. But today, we can do both. This is the Waterdrop M6H Instant Hot Countertop RO system. It's a 7-stage filtration powerhouse that requires zero plumbing. Whether it's for a mom who loves her morning tea, a new parent who needs the perfect formula temp, or just a family looking to invest in long-term wellness, this is more than just water. It's about peace of mind. Of course, we're going to unbox this thing, get it all set up, and in the end, we're gonna test the purity to make sure that it does exactly what it says it's going to do. I will have all of the information for Waterdrop Filter and their massive sale that's going on right now down below in the pinned comment and in the description box. I also wanna do a quick little comparison in this video of the A1 and A2, since those Waterdrop models are so similar, so close to this one. And I'll be sure to have all of the timestamps down below, so if you want to just skip ahead to a different section, you got it. Let's go into unboxing first. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is that Waterdrop packaged this very securely. Right on top, we'll find the user manual and a quick start guide. We also have a magnetic drip tray, the lid to the included pitcher, and a filter panel. Digging deeper under the foam insert is the 40-ounce glass pitcher, which makes getting the ultra-filtered water super fast. And of course, the M6H unit itself. You'll want to remove all of the stickers, plugs, and tape prior to install, and you'll find the heart of the unit, the 6-layer reverse osmosis filter right there in the top. And you'll notice the small footprint. It's only 16 inches deep, 9 inches wide, and 14.5 inches tall, so it won't take up much counter space. It's sleek, finished in a matte metallic gray, and feels like a premium espresso machine rather than a clunky filter. But the star of the machine is this, the 40-ounce portable glass water pitcher. Unlike plastic, this is totally BPA-free and odor-free, so your water stays pure. And because it's a separate pitcher, you can pop this in the fridge for ice-cold water or use it to easily refill pet bowls and pots for cooking without moving the whole unit. One of the best things about the M6H, no handyman required. You slide the filter in, twist, and fill the tank. Since it's a high-grade reverse osmosis membrane, you'll run a few flush cycles. It's literally plug and play. If you're giving this as a gift, you won't be spending your afternoon drilling holes in a countertop. The OLED control panel here, there are 5 different volume settings to choose from between $4 and $999. And there are a total of 8 temperature presets here. The milk setting at 113 degrees is a lifesaver for new moms making formula. There's also a shortcut for coffee and tea temps, and it hits those temps in just 3 seconds. There's also a favorite mode here, so you can save your specific mug size and temperature to make it super duper easy in the morning, and a child lock for safety. You just hold this down for 5 seconds to toggle it on or off if you need it, but it is meant to keep little ones from accidentally burning themselves on the hotter water temps. Our water quality is a long-term health investment, and the M6H uses 7 layers of filtration. 6 are packed right into this one cartridge, including PP cotton, carbon block, and the reverse osmosis membrane. And the 7th is a UV sterilization stage right before the water hits your glass. And it's third-party lab tested to remove 99.9% of the things that we do not want in our water, such as lead, PFOAs, PFASs, and microplastics. And it's doing a much better job than an actual water treatment plant. Essentially, you've put a better water treatment plant here in your house on your counter than your city even does for you. And the maintenance on this machine is essentially stress-free. You replace the filter every 12 to 24 months, and the panel is going to tell you ahead of time when it needs to be replaced. Let's do a quick little comparison so you know which Waterdrop model is best for you. I have previously owned both the A1 and A2. The A1 does have a faster flow, 100 gallons per day, whereas this machine is 75 gallons per day. But unless you really truly need just a little bit more speed, I don't really think that that matters. It is a much larger and much more expensive unit, and it does not include this carafe. The A2 is going to be the closest they have to the M6H. They both have the water pitcher. The A2 is just a slightly smaller footprint, and it pushes out 100 gallons per day, but it only has 5 layers of filtration, whereas this one fractionally larger. I'm talking like maybe a ½ inch all around, and this one pushes out 75 gallons per day, but it has 7 layers of filtration. But the M6H has a glass water pitcher, whereas the A2 is plastic, and this is the only one in the lineup with instant hot, which I think is the biggest game changer, and you could replace even more appliances with that. Like, I wouldn't need my water percolator for my tea anymore because this has that temperature. And the A2 does not not separate its wastewater into the different compartments like the A1 and the M6H both do, which with the A2, that could lead to secondary contamination or shorten your filter's lifespan. Also, reverse osmosis systems are known for wasting water, but this one is highly efficient with a 3-to-1 pure to drain ratio. Next, we're going to test the water. I'm going to use these water testing strips, which is going to test it against 16 different chemicals that are commonly found in our water. My tap water is generally a little bit higher as far as minerals and chlorine goes. So I use reverse osmosis a lot to take that and fluoride out. We bulk make cleaning supplies from concentrates. We own a mobile detailing business, and using regular water will literally make the end result dirty. This is what the test strip looks like. There's a lot of color on it. It's going to change the colors based on how much of each chemical of these 16 measured chemicals are in it. So first up, we will need a full glass of water. Dip it in for 2 seconds. Take it out, shake it off. Leave it horizontal for 30 seconds. And now we can see with our test strip, it falls within the healthy range, the underlined green there, for every single one of those. No hydrogen sulfide, no iron, no copper, no lead, no manganese, no chlorine, no mercury, no nitrites or nitrates, no sulfates or zinc. The fluoride's been completely removed. Sodium chloride, like that. That's an excellent little strip. Whether it's for yourself or as a Mother's Day gift that keeps on giving for years, the Waterdrop M6H is a total game changer for healthy living. And of course, right now is the best time to get one. From April 30th to May 10th, Waterdrop is having their massive Mother's Day sale where you save 23% across the lineup. Plus, you could use my code. Jumping in real quick from editing, I said the code wrong. I want you to save all of your coins. So Chrissy26 is going to save you 5%. Okay, back to it. I'll have that down below in the pinned comment and in the description box to save an additional 5%. If this video helped you in any way, please consider hitting like and subscribe before you leave. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. A huge shout out to Waterdrop for sending this my way. I've absolutely loved testing out and trying all of their devices. In fact, I use their under sink model, so I just have a faucet here, but I have the luxury of drilling into my countertops. If you don't have that luxury to drill into your countertops, you don't have the space underneath, but this doesn't really have much of a footprint, but you want to have this, you're in a rental or a dorm room or an office or something like that, this I think would work out better. And lastly, a happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope you have an amazing one. Drink clean, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.